Hello, BBT. My name is Ross DeCamp, and I've been trading with BBT for 3 years now. And I thought I would do a trade review of the trades I took on today, October 13th, 2020. So my first trade here was on Disney, and I went long here for opening range breakup on this pop at VWAP here, and put in a hard stop for 20 cents and got stopped out. And I eventually did kind of orb up there. But I had moved on to my second trade, which was on WKHS. Big sell-off into the open here, pre-market, and it was down on the daily. So I was short biased, and after this chop kind of cleared up, I went short and had to stop at the wick of the candle there. And I partialed through low of the day and partialed again through the new low of the day here, 10%, 10%, 10%, 10%, 10% full. And what else did I look at? DKNG. Nice reverse ABCD pattern here. Opening range breakdown here, and I thought it still looked quite short after the sell-off as well. So I was just kind of looking for a good entry on this, trying to find the true C on the ABCD pattern. And so I thought I'd be patient and kind of see what it would do at VWAP, and I thought that this might be a good shot for C on the ABCD pattern, so I went short here at VWAP on this wick, and I had a stop in at like 50.50, I believe. And as soon as it rejected off of VWAP, I moved my stop to the wick here, and then once it started to sell here, I'd move my stop to break even, because I thought if it didn't move down here, that's fine, I'll just get stopped out break even. That one opportunity or one chance here to go break down, and then another here. If it's not going to go there, I'm just going to walk away and just play it safe, because I was close to my goal of $1,000 for the day, and so I just wanted to keep it pretty clean, keep it pretty tight. And so I just followed my plan, scaled through the 9 and the 20 here, 10%, 10%, and then through 50 here, the whole number. And I was trading my goal, trading my P&L a little bit, but I think it's good to have a focus on your profit goal. And so I covered the rest of my position through 50 here, and called it a day with minus commissions, $1,037, I want to say. So there's my trade review for today. Hopefully that's helpful and informative, and if anybody has any questions, please feel free to reach out, either in the comments on YouTube or through the forums of BBT. I'd be happy to talk to anybody. Thanks.